Hello, how you doing? My name is Dubem. Today I'm going to be sharing with you another wonderful NPM package which I use for reminding myself and other team members of the to-dos we have in a project. So I usually take this approach of whenever I'm coding, I have bias for getting something out there, but as well I like to note down my ideas, possibilities, or ways something can be refactored to be made better. So I like to leave it in form of a note, like a to do. And I have this extension called to do 3, right? But it's not really enough because you might forget about your to dos. But with this particular package, um, you can remember your to-dos. What it basically does is that it scan your project for to-dos. So this package is called leasot, if that is how it's pronounced, right? So it's a package you can install, and you can set it up and like install it globally, install it with npx. um you could even hook it up to Git, maybe a pre-commit hook or something like that, and I think it's something that can facilitate great teamwork. So I'm just gonna show you how it works. So just classify it as a dev experience script, right? So I'm just gonna create a file, resort.js. Then we're gonna add the package using bun add resort, add it as a dev dependency, right? So we've installed it. Is to use it is as simple as running the command. I didn't even need to install it anyways. I could just have installed it with npx. But you can see several ways with which you could actually look for your to-dos. So for example, in this file itself, I can just put in a to-do comment, right? And say add code here, fix me, work on a better version, right? So with this alone, I can actually run leasot, and then let's take one of these patterns here. Can run leasot. Okay. Okay, I think it's because it's not installed globally. So um am I doing it right? Okay, so we have leasot installed globally now. So we'll just try this command. Let's see. Okay, I think we can use it directly as an executable. So let's try this command here. Yeah, and you can see it actually goes into the Node.js files to actually find to-dos which we actually don't want, right? So you can even see some to-dos from some of my other files, right? So we could actually limit it down to a particular folder. For example, we can say devx, and then we want to only run it here, so it only finds to-dos inside of this folder. So it's as easy as this to use, right? So the way I normally use it is that I like to hook it up with a pre-commit hook, right? So that anytime before when I'm making a commit, right, it shows me my to-dos, right? And you can also configure it to fail. Like if you want to-dos to always be cleared before making a commit, you could also set it up that way. But I just have it print out my to-do so that I can have them in mind and I can attend to them over time, right? So yeah, that's basically this package for you. It scans through your project and then spits out to-dos, FIXMEs that you have, right? So it's sort of like a complement to the to do tree pack VS Code plugin. Right, so check it out if it's something you like. If you know something better, leave it in the comment, but make sure you like this video and subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.